Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be looking at shapes a little bit more in a little bit more detail. So let's go ahead and create a new view, shapes template, and we're going to get started here. So what we can do is we can create a function, simple shape. Okay, and here you can have some view like so. Now let's go ahead and create a VStack so I can actually show you all the shapes. So we have circle with fill color, as blue. Then we have ellipse as fill color orange. Let's create that. Create a capsule. A rectangle. A rounded rectangle. Okay, so let's go ahead and call this simple shape and resume. And we should see our shapes appearing in our preview section. Okay, so there we have all the shapes. We have circle, we have ellipse, we have a capsule, we have a rectangle and rounded rectangle. Give this a padding a little bit so you can see them, and we have some breathing room around our views. There we go. Okay, so those are our shapes. That's how you create your shapes. You probably already know that. Now let's go ahead and create stroked shapes. So basically just the stroke of the shape. So you can actually use them as a border, as a custom border for any of your views. Okay, so stroke shape. Right, it's going to be a VStack with circle, and we're simply going to say stroke with color dot blue. So I can actually take this whole thing, and we can actually copy it and paste it here, and we can simply say stroke like that. Thing should be okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and resume and see if that actually works. Okay, my bad. There we go, and we should see strokes for our views. So basically our shapes just with the strokes, right? So let's go ahead and modify this a bit, and we can actually give, along with the color, we can also give a line width, as you probably already know, right? Now, along with this, we can also give it a style. So style is basically something that you can call it as stroke style. So there's a thing, or there's a class called struct called stroke style that takes line width. So it takes a lot of parameters. So let me actually, okay, there we go. So we have line width, and we're gonna use the line cap. So we're gonna say it round. Join as bevel, and we can have, like, meter limit as infinity. Dash, there's a dash pattern if there are dashes that you want to provide. So 2 to 20. And dash phase we can actually skip. So by the way, you can skip any of the parameter if you want to, and it'll create this sort of effect. Okay, so if I take this and copy it to the next one and change its color again to green, I can show you that you can basically have different dash phases. So you can have like 5, 10, for example. So it looks very different from 220, right? And then you can subsequently do that for all the others. So for example, you can have in yellow, you can have maybe 10 and 12, and it will make your view look totally different from the other one, right? And why leave this one? Let's give this one something as well. So you can have 12 and 12, and let's see what that gives us. So as you can see, you can apply various different styles and play with all these different overloads and different parameters to see the look that you're trying to achieve. That way, that gives you more flexibility, more options to be creative with your own unique apps UI. Okay, so that is it for this video. And in the next video, like I've been promising, we're gonna look into creating a custom view for progress bar, combining shapes and sliders. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on to the next video to see how to create a custom progress bar. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.